Good morning. This is the panoramic X-ray I choose. General and specific findings can be found on panoramic radiographs. As general findings, 1. The nasal turbinates can be seen as a radiopaque area. 2. The zygomatic bone of the maxilla can be seen normally. 3. The mastoid process is in a radiopaque area. 4. Orbits are seen normally as a radiolucent zone. 5. The coronate process is seen normally as a radiopaque area. 6. As a secondary image, the heart plate can be seen as a radiopaque area. 7. As a secondary image, the spinal column can be seen as a radiopaque area. 8. A radiopaque area corresponding to the hyoid bone is observed as a secondary image. And 9. In the lower jaw, the lower dental canal can be seen as a radiolucent area. On the other hand, unspecific findings I found. 10. The right condyle is longer and thinner than the left condyle. 11. The deviate septum can be seen. 12. The right mandibular branch is shorter than the left. 13. The left maxillary sinus is more radiolucent than the right. 14. In the lower jaw there is absence of posterior teeth. And 15. Different radiopaque areas corresponding to restoration, root canals, and implants can be seen on the teeth present. Thank you.